Hello, friends! Welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 ways to make easy money. Let's get started with the first way to make easy money. Work as a freelancer. Freelancing is a great way to make money at your own pace. You can choose clients, set your own hours, and determine your rate. Some of the most in-demand freelance skills are web design and development, translation, video production. To get started, sign up for some freelance websites and start scouting for gigs. Upwork focuses on large projects requiring freelancers with specific skills. Freelancer provides 1,800 plus categories of freelance work opportunities. Guru offers projects from individuals or small to middle-sized businesses. The second way to make easy money is by tutoring students online. Many students today actively look for remote lessons. Independent tutors often offer their services via video communication apps like Zoom or Skype and accept payments via PayPal. Evaluate your expertise before choosing a topic to teach. Some popular tutoring subjects include maths, languages, IT. 4 popular platforms for people interested in the online tutoring business. Schooly. Schedule lessons in advance or accept them whenever you're online. TutorMe. Connect students with tutors based on their needs and preferences. Tutor.com. Offers US-based tutors the opportunity to teach 250-plus subjects to students of varying ages and education levels. Preply. Teach different languages and set custom rates for your services. Another one of the best ways for artists to make easy money: sell digital products. List your creations on art marketplaces like DeviantArt and ArtStation. This is a great way to gain exposure in the creative online community and reach potential clients. Alternatively, sell artwork and designs independently via another sales channel like your social media account. Selling on social media is a good way to make money fast, especially if you promote your art on specific networks. For example, start selling on Facebook Marketplace and promote products by joining groups and interacting with potential buyers. Alternatively, activate the Instagram shopping feature on an account dedicated to your artwork. Move on to the 4th way to make easy money: become a travel consultant. Since the tourism industry is surging, there is a higher demand for travel consultants. Start your career by getting familiar with popular travel management software tools. The average base salary for a travel consultant is around $70,000 per year in the United States. The job's benefits include remote working, a flexible schedule, opportunities to travel. Additionally, consider taking tourism, hospitality, or foreign language courses to improve your competency. Alternatively, sign up as a travel consultant or trip designer on platforms like Rico. Voiceover work is an excellent way to make easy money. Companies are always looking for new voiceover talents to narrate audiobooks, advertisements, commercials, trailers, demonstration videos, audio guides. How much you earn from voiceover projects? It depends on your experience, the project's type, and the script's length. The average salary of voiceover artists in the United States is around $30 per hour. On the other hand, experienced audiobook voice talents can earn up to $200 per finished hour. One of the easiest ways to get started is by creating a profile on a freelance marketplace like Upwork and responding directly to voiceover job ads. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.